Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 467 Westview Circle in Williston. We're here to view this fantastic townhome. Let's go ahead and take a look around. What I like about this neighborhood is that it's nicely maintained, well landscaped. Now take a look here, we got plenty of parking. You have both assigned parking and also visiting parking. And over there, you actually have on the end, that's actually your garage space. So you can use for storage, or if you want to park your garage, go ahead. Got some nice amenities in here. Great thing too is that you're literally only a few minutes from downtown Williston, so plenty of shopping, movies, restaurants, and then you're equally as close to the Essex area. And again, lots of amenities as well. If you want to jump on the interstate, go down the Stowe, skiing, hiking, very short drives to all that. Very close if you want to play golf. We come back to the back side of the property here. You can see a nice, peaceful, tranquil area just this time of year. And then let's come over here and take a look. You've got your own private deck on the back here. But wait, we're not done yet. We definitely have more features that I want to show you. Okay, so here we are. Let's go over and take a look. Nice thing about this development is that you actually have your own little garden space here if you want to participate. Nice little area. Very quiet. You can hear the birds chirping around you. Got a little area there for compost. Certainly is a very nice area. And let's move on to the rest of the tour. Another great feature of this neighborhood is that if you have a camper or a boat or something like that, you actually have an area back here for storage. So again, another great feature about this property. Let's continue on. Okay, so here we have the inside of the home. When we first come in, you're going to notice that we have this nice slate entryway. Over to your left is going to be the coat closet, and then to your right you're going to have a half bathroom here. Take a look. We also have the toilet over here. And you walk over, you're going to have a small pantry here, and then of course you're going to have the kitchen area. What's nice here too is that you have the pass-through that goes through, and of course you're going to have the natural lighting, which are always a nice feature. I always enjoy that in any home. We're going to come through here, notice a nice open floor plan. This is one of my favorite developments. I love the fact that you have this dining area with the pass-through going through the kitchen, and then you walk down a couple of steps and you go into the living room area. It gives you a great sense of space and division, even though it's really a nice open area. Of course, you got the fireplace, which is always nice for the winter months. Off to the back here, you're going to have a really nice large deck. Of course, you got a lot of peace and tranquility because you're backing open to the field area. Looks really pretty right now with all the wildflowers out there. The big thing about this property, of course, is that you're going to have this extra bonus room here off to the side, great for an office, or if you need other areas here, you can use this for pretty much whatever you want. Love the staircase, love the openness of it. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs and see what we have. Of course, at the end unit, you're going to have that extra window, which is always a nice feature. You come up through here, and you're going to notice that you got two very spacious bedrooms. Washer and dryer on the second floor. So here we have the first bedroom. And again, nice and spacious, plenty of natural lighting, double closets. Then you come into here, you're going to have a full bathroom. Always a nice feature. And what's really unique about this is that there's a door here that you can close off, and you've got yourself another wash area here, so if someone just needs to get ready in the morning, great little feature. It's going to lead into the other bedroom, which is really big. Plenty of space. Give you a nice little turnaround here. And of course, you got the double windows. And of course, double closets. Okay, so this is 467 Westview Circle in Williston. If any questions, give us a call. You can reach us here at 802-825-1353, or you can visit our website at catamountrealtyduke.com. There you're going to find videos, the Matterport 3D, and also the drone video. We look forward to hearing from you.